Running out of space for tools, supplies, and household essentials? The right storage solution can transform your garage into a clean and organized workspace. Best storage cabinets for garage setups provide secure storage, adjustable shelving, and durable construction to keep everything neatly arranged and easily accessible. Here are the top storage cabinets that deliver excellent capacity, strength, and value for every garage. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. SISESOL Wide and Deep Storage Cabinet. The SISESOL Wide and Deep Storage Cabinet is a practical choice for anyone needing dependable storage in a garage, workshop, office, or warehouse. Its spacious design includes 5 adjustable shelves that can be repositioned or removed entirely, making it easy to organize everything from small supplies to bulky equipment. With a total weight capacity of 900 pounds and up to 180 pounds per shelf, it handles heavy-duty storage tasks with confidence. The cabinet is built from cold-rolled steel and finished with a powder-coated surface that resists scratches, rust, and moisture, helping it maintain a clean appearance over time. Security is another strong point, thanks to the lockable double doors and 3-point locking system that help protect valuable items. Measuring 72 by 36 by 18 inches, this cabinet offers generous storage space while remaining versatile enough for a wide range of organizational needs. Number 2. Yizosh Metal Garage Storage Cabinet. The Yizosh Metal Garage Storage Cabinet delivers a solid combination of durability, storage capacity, and flexibility. Constructed from heavy-gauge cold-rolled steel, it is designed to withstand daily use in demanding environments, such as garages, workshops, offices, and storage rooms. The cabinet features 5 adjustable shelves, each capable of supporting up to 180 pounds, allowing users to customize the interior layout based on their storage requirements. Whether storing tools, office supplies, files, or household equipment, the cabinet provides dependable support and organization. Its lockable doors add an extra layer of security for important items, while the powder-coated finish helps resist scratches, rust, and wear. The 180-degree door opening makes access convenient, especially when handling larger items. With a tall design measuring nearly 71 inches high, this cabinet offers excellent storage space without occupying excessive floor area.
Number 3. Aobabo Metal Storage Cabinet. The Aobabo Metal Storage Cabinet stands out for its mobility and thoughtful organization features. Designed with wheels, it can be moved easily between work areas, making it especially useful in garages, workshops, utility rooms, and basements. The cabinet includes 5 adjustable shelves that accommodate items of different sizes, from cleaning supplies and storage bins to power tools and equipment. Each shelf supports up to 170 pounds, providing reliable strength for everyday storage needs. One of its most useful features is the interior door pegboard, which keeps hand tools, cords, and accessories organized and within easy reach. The lockable doors help secure valuable items while maintaining a neat appearance. Its compact yet efficient design makes good use of available space without feeling bulky. For users seeking a balance of flexibility, storage capacity, and convenience, this cabinet is a dependable option. Number 4. Ckzbx Metal Garage Storage Cabinet. The Ckzbx Metal Garage Storage Cabinet is built for users who need strong storage with the added convenience of mobility. Made from premium cold-rolled steel, it offers excellent resistance to dents, scratches, and corrosion, making it suitable for long-term use in garages, warehouses, and workshops. The powder-coated finish is easy to clean and helps maintain a professional appearance. One of its biggest advantages is the set of 4 swivel casters, allowing the cabinet to move smoothly across different surfaces and lock securely in place when needed. Inside, 3 adjustable shelves support up to 150 pounds each and can be repositioned to fit items of varying sizes. The reinforced base and anti-tip design add stability and safety, particularly when storing heavy equipment. With its practical dimensions and durable construction, this cabinet provides reliable storage while remaining easy to reposition.
Number 5. Letaya Metal Garage Storage. The Letaya Metal Garage Storage Cabinet is a heavy-duty storage solution designed for both residential and commercial environments. Built from reinforced steel with welded frame and strengthened locking doors, it offers impressive durability and long-term reliability. The powder-coated finish helps resist rust, corrosion, and moisture, making it suitable for garages, workshops, warehouses, schools, and offices. Its spacious interior includes 5 adjustable shelves with a weight capacity of up to 180 pounds each, providing ample room for tools, supplies, files, and larger household items. Security is enhanced by a 3-point locking system and reinforced steel rods, while adjustable feet help maintain stability on uneven surfaces. The cabinet also includes pre-drilled mounting holes for wall attachment when additional support is desired. Measuring 72 by 36 by 18 inches, combines generous storage space with a sturdy design that performs well in demanding conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.